Not bad. Wow. Today we will be reviewing Earth Chimp, a vegan protein shake mix. So this is how the front of the package looks, as you can see. This one that I choose is plain and unsweetened, but you can feel free. They have a variety of flavors. I prefer the plain and unsweetened because if I want to add it to anything, I want that flavor and that taste to be balanced. And so you can kind of work more with the plain and unsweetened versus getting a flavorful one and then only certain ingredients you can put with it. That's just my preference. Let's go ahead and turn around to see the back package. It is a vegan protein blend. It has 1 billion CFU probiotics per serving. It is made with real fruits. This company is a small vegan company and it is made in Ireland. And this protein powder has no added sugars, salt, GMO, erythritol, no gums, no gluten, no soy, and no dairy. And as you can see the calories, it is 120 calories. Serving size says 2 scoops, 35 grams. Total fat, 3%. Total carbohydrates, 4%. Dietary fiber, 18%. Total sugars, 3 grams. And protein, 21 grams, which is 28%. And I will just zoom in a little bit more so that you can see what the package looks like. In reference to this vegan protein shake mix, this is not alkaline vegan friendly. It's important for me to share this because on this channel we prepare recipes in alkaline vegan, vegan, and gluten-free. So I just wanted to mention that for the alkaline vegan viewers. The reason for this not being alkaline vegan friendly is because it has ingredients that is not approved on the Dr.Sebi's list. If we look here closely, we will see organic pumpkin hair, organic pea, let's see what else, flaxseed powder, organic turmeric, cinnamon. Those are just to name a few that is not on the Dr.Sebi's list. However, this is gluten-free friendly, vegan friendly, and all other diet friendly. Get a close-up. At least you're able to see the texture and the look of it. But keep in mind they have other flavors, chocolate, strawberry. So this is the unsweetened, plain and unsweetened. So let's go ahead and make a smoothie. You can feel free to use whichever blender that you have. So let's begin. So I'm going to use almond milk. Feel free to use whichever milk is your preference, okay? So this is 6 ounces. 2 ounces of oats. 2 ounces blueberries. 1 ounce banana. And 2 scoops of the vegan protein powder, unsweetened. I'm going to use agave sweetener. This is why I prefer it unsweetened. So I can use the type of sweetener that I would like to. So I'm just adding in 2 tablespoons, okay? 5 ounces of ice, but if you don't want any ice, you can blend it just as is. Okay. You want to blend until smooth even if you don't have a Vitamix blender. And this is one type of smoothie you can try. It's so many other flavors you can add based on your preference. It's nice and rich. I'm so excited. Alright, so this is the smoothie here. And I'm just going to taste it. So this is my first time trying the Earth Chimp protein powder. Let's see how it tastes with these ingredients. Not bad. Wow. It's nice. I think because it's already unsweetened, I just give it a good flavor with the agave sweetener. Again, also feel free to use whichever sweetener that you prefer, but I normally use agave. It works fine for me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.